engineer Alex. It's time now for disassembling the computer. So now I have to remove all the peripherals first, then I take it to another room for the work. So now I have to remove all this. First of all, I can remove this internet cable. I remove it, then I remove the power cable, then I remove the mouse and the keyboard also gently. Then I also remove the VGA cable. It has to be unscrewed. This is an old model. I powered off the electricity already and I left the computer to cool for some minutes. Yeah, everything is now done. So it's time for the CPU to be taken for the process. Thank you so much.